Hey everybody, welcome to our CrewAI course. In this first video, we're going to get started right with the installation of CrewAI. If you have no idea what CrewAI is, we're going to go into a lot more detail on every concept, but for a quick intro, it's essentially to create autonomous AI agents by creating multiple agents that have specific roles, tools, goals, and they all work together to accomplish unified goals. So let's start with the installation. We're going to do this in the terminal here, right on the right side. So first things first, you need Python 3. Version greater than 3.10 and less than 3.13. So let's check our version right here by just copy pasting Python 3 -- version. And you can see I have 3.12.8, which is good. And now we're going to set up our environment with a virtual environment. If you don't know what this is useful for Python to make sure your project dependencies are isolated so you don't have dependency conflict. So we're going to copy paste this command here, Python 3 -m venv.venv. And you can see we created that virtual environment, so we're good to go there. And then we actually want to activate it. So to activate it, we just have to paste in this command, the source. And you can see now we're in our virtual environment. So this will make sure our dependencies are nice and clean. So if you're on Windows, you can follow these commands as well. So I'm on Mac, so I'm just doing those. So now we have to install CrewAI. You can do either of these commands. Let's go with this first one here, pip install CrewAI tools. And you can see it's going to start that installation process. And we're back. It's all done installing. Now we want to make sure that it actually installed it correctly. So we're going to go all the way here to verify the installation. You can skip this step. This is for if you already have an existing installation. So we're going to verify the installation by typing in pip freeze and grep CrewAI. So we're going to copy paste that command, enter it here. And you can see here we have CrewAI with the 0.100 version and CrewAI tool 0.33. That means we installed it correctly, so we're good to go. So now you can create a new project using the CrewAI CLI. So you're going to do CrewAI create crew and your project name. So let's paste that in here in our terminal. And for our project name, we can name this CrewAI course. And you can see here, it prompts you to select a provider to set up this project. So we're going to stick with OpenAI for the sake of this course. So we're going to type in number 1 for OpenAI. And we're going to stick with GPT-4o. So I'm going to type in number 2. And then here you can enter your OpenAI API key. I'm just going to skip that for now, but that's where you would put that API key in. And you can see here now we have all of these folders created. So in this directory, I will have all of these folders exactly laid out just like this. And you can take a look for that yourself. And here you can start installing additional tools and customizing your project based on all of these files. We're going to go in more detail on future videos, so you can stay tuned for that. Don't worry about that right now. I hope that installation process was nice and simple for you. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next lesson where we're actually going to start building out a project and explaining core concepts.